no. That's terrible.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want, and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded.
Do you have a better idea?
Yes, I do.
Wait, what?
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots, and
His name is John C. Why are we still here? Just to suffer. Shut up! Every night. Bruh. You're the last one. Complete the mission.